everyone. Tnews is being delivered by Priya for the day. The best knowledge on technology, events happening on programming, contests conducted on various technologies can be found only at Tnews, powered by Technical Hub. The news for the day is HR mock interviews, OWL coder training, and MTA certifications. HR mock interviews. Technical Hub always believes in being practical. The theory what their trainees learn in their classes must be implemented in practical. Most of the trainees face the major problem at the interview with HR is building communication skills. In this regard, Technical Hub has scheduled the HR mock interviews to all its trainees in the name of Inside Out, irrespective of the learning batches. Students await to participate at mock and get the real-time experience of HR interviews. It is truly a major benefit to its trainees to be on the safer side of the interview. OWL coder training. An overwhelming response is being received from all the trainees of OWL coder, where they say that they are learning, enjoying, sharing the thoughts, practicing, competing, and many more is happening at OWL coder training.
Hello, I'm Shweta and I'm an OWL coder. The efficient training is given right from the day one at the OWL coder training program. Believe me, I'm really surprised to see how students taking active participation.
At first I thought, how would I wake up till 12 at night? But later, the training program really excited me a lot.
I'm very much happy to be a part of this OWL coder program, and I'm learning so many things from this program.
I'm sure that the training which is given to us in OWL coder program will definitely help us to achieve our goals with the highest packages.
Hi, I am Ruchita. I am very much excited to be a part of OWL coder program. At first, I thought, how would I stay till 12 in the night? But this program made me feel very excited and we work overnight.
I'm so glad to part of this OWL coder program. The efficient training is given right from day one at OWL coder program. Never before a training of this kind. It is one of a kind for sure.
Wow, it's not done yet. This training not only focuses on enhancement of coding skills, but also on aptitude, reasoning, and soft skills.
Certification is the synonym of gaining knowledge. It is so adequate that 258 trainees of our Aditya Engineering College got certified from Microsoft with support of Technical Hub. Industries are also majorly focusing on their employees' certification in different streams so that the enormous knowledge can be obtained and also the better output can be seen in the development. Signing off for the day. Thank you.